Well, the question says there are 400 red, green, and blue marbles in the jar. There are an equal number of green and blue marbles. So if there are 180 red marbles, how many red and blue marbles are there in the jar? So we're going to begin drawing the model like this. Okay, we draw red to be 180 because we already know that red is 180. Alright, and read the question again. There are an equal number of green and blues. What about the green and blues? Okay, we do not know what is green and blue, so we assign green to be 1 unit, alright, and blue also 1 unit. Okay, blue also 1 unit. But at this moment, we draw the units to be longer than that of red. You can draw it shorter or longer, it's up to you, so long as you don't draw it of equal length, because we still don't know whether they are of equal length at this moment. Alright, so over here we draw it longer. 1 unit for green, 1 unit for blue. And the total will be 400. Okay, so by looking at the models, comparing the left and the right, on the left we have 2 units plus 180. On the right we have 400. So by comparing them left to right, we know that 2 units is equivalent to 400 marbles minus 180 marbles. Okay, that will be 220 marbles. Okay, for 2 units. Now, the next thing we're going to do is find how many would that be for 1 unit of marbles. Okay, to do that, we're going to take 220 marbles divided by 2. That will give us 110. Therefore, 1 unit is equivalent to 110 marbles. Now, questions. How many red and blue marbles are there in the jar? Okay, so we're going to look at the red and blue. There are 180 reds and 1 unit of blue. So total for red and blue will be 180 plus 110, because we know that 1 unit is 110. So when you add up 180 to 110, you get 290s. So the answer to the question is there are 290 red and blue marbles in the jar. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.